So, first of all, open Chrome or Google and search Termux. When you get results, then tap on F-Droid, not on Google Play. Download Termux from F-Droid because F-Droid has a latest version of Termux.
Now, open your browser and tap on the very first website in the search results. Make sure it's the official F-Droid page. Don't download from random sources. Once the website opens, slowly scroll down. You'll now see the download section. Here you will find the option that says Download 109 MB. Tap on that button and allow the file to download completely. That's it. So, when you open Termux for the first time, you'll see a completely black screen with a blinking cursor. Simply type this command, clear, then press enter. The clear command is used to remove all the previous text from the terminal screen. Type the following command, pkg update, then press enter. This command is used to update the package list inside Termux. In simple words, it refreshes the system and checks for the latest versions of all available packages. When you run this for the first time, it may ask you for permission. Just type Y and press enter to continue. pkg upgrade, then press enter. This command upgrades all the packages that are already installed in your Termux environment to their latest versions. While pkg update refreshes the list, pkg upgrade actually installs the latest updates. Now let's look at a very basic but powerful command. Type the following, lss, then press enter. The ls command is used to list the files and folders inside your current directory. In simple words, it shows you what is present in the location where you are currently working. After pressing enter, you'll see a list of directory names or files displayed on the screen. If you want to go inside a directory, then type this command scd sdcard, then press enter. The cd command stands for change directory. It is used to move from one folder to another. When you type cd sdcard, you are telling Termux to move from the current location into your device's internal storage directory. After pressing enter, you are no longer in the default Termux home folder. Now you are inside the SD card directory. You can confirm this by typing ls and you will see your internal storage files and folders listed there. This is how you navigate between directories inside Termux. Now, when you want to go inside another folder in SD card, then type cd and folder name where you want to go. Type ls if you want to go inside that folder. Now you see how commands are working. Type cd for coming back in Termux directory from any directory. Now, if you go in any directory, here we go in SD card, and we have to know directory's path, then type pwd and you get its path. As you see in screen, how I get the path of SD card. Now, if you want to create any folder inside your directory, then type mkdir and folder name it create the folder automatically. So, here I run command, now check folder is created or not. Here you see folder is created. It means mkdir is used to create folders. Let me show you again by creating one more folder. Again, same process, mkdir and folder. Name, this time I write folder name. I am back. So let's check folder is created or not. As you see, folder is created successfully. Now come back on Termux. Now, first of all, clear the interface by command clear. Now, type ls, go inside any folder. Now we learn how to delete any files from directory for this Go in File Manager and open that folder you opened in Termux and create any file. You can also delete files from direct SD card here. I create a file for testing, and after creating file, copy its full name, including extension like .txt or any extension. After copying name, come back in Termux and type rm and paste the file name and press enter. And go and check your file will be deleted instantly. Now we learn how to delete folders. For deleting folders, go in your file manager. Select the folder you want to delete. Long press on that and copy its full name. Now come back on Termux and write RM and give a minus sign and write RF. Then paste the folder name and press enter. And here you go, your folder will deleted. So, in today's video, we learn about some basic commands and its work. Before doing anything in Termux, you must know the basic.